Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Touch and Tenders X12 is probably one of the most anticipated tech gadgets of the year, promising to revolutionize how we interact with our devices through its innovative features and sleek design. As consumers, we're always on the lookout for products that not only perform exceptionally well but also offer a seamless user experience, and the X12 seems poised to deliver just that, making it a compelling choice for anyone seeking cutting-edge technology. Number 5. Coogam Wooden Blocks Puzzle. Crafted from natural basswood with a smooth finish, this toy uses harmless paints for safe and worry-free play. It's a high-quality set designed for little hands. With 40 pieces, you can create countless shapes and figures like a pistol, a robot, or a tree. Every time you rearrange the pieces, a new creation emerges. Its simple design and bright colors are perfect for igniting creativity. It offers a fun challenge that can also be a relaxing activity for both kids and adults. This geometric puzzle helps children focus, enhancing eye-hand coordination and color recognition. It's a fantastic way to learn through play, offering a great alternative to screen time. This intelligence puzzle is engaging for young children and adults alike. It's a timeless toy that makes a perfect gift for any occasion. What we like. This toy offers a tactile and safe play experience with its natural wood construction and smooth finish. If you are looking for a screen-free activity that encourages creativity and fine motor skills, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for children who enjoy hands-on puzzles and building. What people say. The Touch and Tenders X12 has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any kitchen. Its powerful motor makes blending smoothies and crushing ice a breeze. The multiple speed settings offer great versatility for different recipes. Number 4. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Introducing the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit, a magical learning experience for your child. It combines physical play pieces with a Fire tablet to bring games to life. This kit features 6 educational games designed to make learning fun and engaging. Your child will explore counting, shapes, and phonics in exciting new ways. Osmo's award-winning games are designed for early learners, ages 3 to 5. They foster essential skills like pre-reading, letter formation, and vocabulary development. Watch as their actions with the game pieces are recognized and brought to life on the screen. This interactive approach makes learning intuitive and stress-free. Beyond academics, this kit helps develop creativity, fine motor skills, and problem-solving abilities. It encourages children to experiment and learn through play. The starter kit includes the Osmo base, reflector, and all the physical pieces needed for the games. Just add your compatible Fire tablet to begin the adventure. What we like. This kit brings learning to life through interactive games that respond to physical play. If your child uses a Fire tablet and you want to supplement their education with engaging STEM activities, this is ideal. It's designed for young learners aged 3 to 5 to develop foundational skills in a fun, stress-free environment. What people say. It's very interactive and it gets him excited to play along. Plus it's very cool that he gets to see his work on the tablet. The Osmo system has been such an amazing system for my kids to learn on. Endless of fun, and they are actually learning something while they play. The mixture of hands-on learning and technology is very well balanced. I like that my daughter can practice problem solving while also being creative. Number 3. Behringer X-Air XR18 Digital Mixer. Introducing the Behringer X-Air XR18, a powerful 18-channel digital mixer designed for both studio and live applications. Control it all effortlessly with your iPad or Android tablet. Experience unparalleled sound with 16 award-winning, Midas-designed microphone preamps. These fully programmable preamps deliver exceptional audiophile sound quality for your recordings and performances. Forget external routers. This device features an integrated tri-mode Wi-Fi router for direct, hassle-free operation. Connect and control wirelessly with ease. Record directly to your iPad or computer with the 18 by 18 channel bidirectional USB interface. It's perfect for capturing multi-track sessions or live performances. Simplify your mixing with the revolutionary Coogam-style auto-mixing feature. It automatically manages microphone gain sharing, ensuring a clean and balanced sound. The XR18 provides flexible output routing, including main outputs with XLR connectors. This ensures seamless integration into your existing setup. What we like. This digital mixer offers unparalleled control and professional sound quality for both studio and live applications. If you're a musician or sound engineer who values flexibility and high-fidelity audio, this device is a game-changer. Its integrated Wi-Fi makes setup and adjustments incredibly convenient, especially for mobile setups. What people say. 16 combo TRS XLR inputs. Solid quality housing, seems rugged and durable enough to gig often. Built-in wireless is solid, 3 connection options. You can even use your own wireless router and connect the X-Air router to that to extend your range. Number 2. Melaleuca Tough and Tender All-Purpose Cleaner. Discover the power of Melaleuca's new Tough and Tender All-Purpose Cleaner. This innovative product is designed to tackle your toughest cleaning challenges. Its incredibly concentrated formula means a little goes a very long way. You'll be amazed at how effectively it cuts through everyday dirt, grease, and grime. You can trust it to clean a variety of surfaces, from countertops to appliances and even natural stone. It cleans effectively without resorting to harsh chemicals. Made with plant-derived and biodegradable ingredients, it offers powerful cleaning while being kind to the environment. You can feel good about using it in your home. Breathe easy knowing it's free from ammonia, chlorine, and other harsh chemicals. This makes it a safer choice for your home and family. One small bottle can make up to 6 full spray bottles of cleaner. It's an economical and simple solution for all your cleaning needs. What we like. This cleaner boasts an incredibly concentrated formula, meaning a little goes a very long way. If you're seeking an eco-friendly and cost-effective cleaning solution that's also safe for your family, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for everyday messes without the worry of harsh chemicals. What people say. The best cleaning power on grease and grime. The smell is not too strong and has a very pleasant odor. Excellent product. Great for killing bacteria and easy cleaning tough areas. Best disinfectant and cleaner I have found. Wonderful if you're allergic to harsher chemicals. Works great on many surfaces including counters, appliances, sinks, etc. I like having a small bottle to store versus warehouse-size containers. Also you can make it in varying strengths depending on level of dirt and grime. Number 1. Melaleuca Tough and Tender 12X All-Purpose Cleaner. Introducing the Melaleuca Tough and Tender 12X All-Purpose Cleaner. This super concentrated, plant-based formula is designed for all your everyday cleaning needs. Its 12x concentration means a little goes a long way. You'll tackle dirt, grease, and messes effectively, making one bottle last significantly longer. This cleaner is incredibly versatile and safe for use on various surfaces. It cleans effectively without causing any damage, making it perfect for counters, appliances, and even natural stone. Formulated with naturally derived ingredients, it's tough on grime but gentle on the environment. You can feel good about using a biodegradable option in your home. Enjoy a powerful clean without the worry of harsh chemicals or fumes. It's free from ingredients like chlorine and ammonia, offering a safer choice for your family. This economical cleaner is also easy to use. One small bottle can make up to 6 full spray bottles of cleaner, providing great value. What we like. Experience maximum cleaning power with this super concentrated, plant-based cleaner. If you need a versatile product that tackles tough grime on various surfaces while being gentle on the environment, this is the one. Its economical nature makes it a smart choice for budget-conscious households. What people say. It does not irritate sinuses, lungs, and smells wonderful. I use Tough and Tender on my wood floors and cabinets. It's great to get the grime off of greasy cabinets. I have pets and it smells great and gets rid of odors. Se de lui una 12 parties, se aplica, dejas reposar 15 minutes, talis, y enjuagas, este genial, lo quito las manchas a las puertas del cancel de la regadera y los hongos que tenía en la línea de abajo, puedes aplicar una segunda ocasión para terminar de limpiar. Deja como una capa repelente al jabón, también deja un olor que se va desvaneciendo, no me pareció tan intenso y no me dio reacción, para mí que soy asmática, este genial. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.